Simple, fresh, and full of flavor, this Turkish potato salad is the perfect side dish for any meal. Let's start by preparing the ingredients. Peel and wash the potatoes. Cut them into cubes, then boil until tender. While the potatoes are cooking, peel and grate the carrot. Peel the red onion, then slice it thinly. Juice 1 lemon and set it aside. Next, chop the spring onions and parsley leaves. Now, take the lettuce leaves and chop them. Don't forget to check the potatoes. Use a fork to make sure they're cooked and tender. Once cooked, remove from the heat and drain well. Transfer to a bowl and allow to cool. For the dressing, add olive oil, lemon juice, a pinch of salt, black pepper, sumac, and chili flakes into a small bowl, then mix well. Once the potatoes have cooled, add the spring onions and parsley. Add the sliced red onion, carrot, and lettuce, then mix well. Now pour in the dressing and mix everything well. Your Turkish potato salad is ready. Serve it on a plate and enjoy it as a delicious side dish. Simple, easy to make, and healthy too. Thank you for being with us today. Do you like this recipe? Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty dishes. Enjoy and happy cooking!